Ooh. Let's see what we got here. Quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a quack.
Animal sounds.
Animal sounds.
Kitten, dog, sheep.
Whoa, the sheep? Bah. La 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 la. Quack. Quack. Quack quack. Stomp your hands, stomp your hands, stomp your hands, and if you're happy you will stomp your hands. If you're happy then you'll stomp your hands. If you're happy then you'll stomp your hands. If you're happy then you'll stomp your hands. We can sing this song to move our hands. We can move this song to move our hands. 'Cause at the end of the day, we'll say hooray. We'll stomp our hands, shout hooray, every day. Ooh, clap, clap, clap it up. Oh, here he comes, here he comes. Hey, live, Apollo.